Have you ever wondered about the difference between Dicotyledonous and Monocotyledonous plants? If so, then you're in for a treat. The plant kingdom is vast and diverse, teeming with a myriad of fascinating species. Among these, the flowering plants, or angiosperms, rule the roost with their vibrant blooms and vital role in our ecosystems. Within this group, we find two major classifications: Dicotyledonous and Monocotyledonous plants. To the untrained eye, they may seem quite similar, but a closer look reveals a world of difference. These two types of plants not only differ in their anatomy, but also play unique roles in our environment. They are the cornerstone of our ecosystems, providing food and habitat to a host of creatures, and even playing a significant role in our daily lives. So buckle up, botany enthusiasts and curious minds alike. Today, we are going to dive into the anatomy of Dicotyledonous and Monocotyledonous plants. First, we will explore the fascinating world of Dicotyledonous plants. Dicots, as they're often called, are one of the two major groups of flowering plants, or angiosperms, and they're characterized by a number of distinct features that set them apart from their monocotyledonous counterparts. Let's start with the seeds. As their name suggests, Dicotyledonous plants produce seeds that contain two embryonic leaves, or cotyledons. These cotyledons play a crucial role in the life of the plant, serving as the initial source of nutrients for the seedling as it begins to grow. Moving on from the seeds, the leaves of dicots present another distinctive trait. Their veins form a complex net-like pattern. This intricate design is not just for show, it plays a key role in the distribution of water and nutrients throughout the leaf, ensuring that every cell gets what it needs to function properly. Another hallmark of dicots lies in their flowers, which often have parts in multiples of 4 or 5. Whether it's the number of petals, stamens, or other floral components, this pattern is a telltale sign of a dicotyledonous plant. Lastly, let's delve into the inner workings of these plants, specifically their vascular system. In dicots, the vascular bundles, the plant equivalent of our blood vessels, are typically arranged in a ring within the stem. This organization allows for efficient transport of water, nutrients, and sugars throughout the plant, supporting its growth and development. Dicotyledonous plants encompass a vast array of species, from towering oak trees to delicate buttercups, and they play a vital role in our ecosystems. Their distinct features, from their dual cotyledons to their ringed vascular bundles, reflect the incredible diversity and complexity of the plant kingdom. Dicots, with their unique features, contribute significantly to the plant kingdom. Their beauty, diversity, and ecological importance are a testament to the wonder of nature and the fascinating world of botany. Now let's shift our focus to monocotyledonous plants. Monocots, as they are often called, are a unique group of flowering plants. They're named for their distinct feature of having a single seed leaf or cotyledon in their seeds. Think of a grain of rice or a kernel of corn, and you're thinking of a monocotyledonous plant. This single seed leaf is more than just a defining trait. It plays a vital role in the plant's life. It serves as the primary food source for the developing plant embryo, ensuring it has the energy to sprout and begin its life journey. Moving upwards, we find the leaves of monocots, which are typically long and narrow. What's fascinating about these leaves is their vein pattern. Unlike the net-like patterns seen in dicots, monocots feature parallel veins running straight from the base to the tip of the leaf. This unique design helps the plant conduct water and nutrients more efficiently. But the uniqueness of the monocots doesn't stop there. When we look at their flowers, we find an intriguing pattern. Monocots typically have flower parts in multiples of 3. You might find a lily with 6 petals or an orchid with 3 sepals. This pattern is a telltale sign that you're dealing with a monocot. Let's delve a bit deeper into the stem of a monocot plant. Here, we find scattered vascular bundles. These bundles, which consist of xylem and phloem tissues, are the plant's transport system, carrying water, nutrients, and sugars throughout the plant. In monocots, these bundles are spread randomly, a stark contrast to the organized rings found in dicots. Each of these characteristics, the single seed leaf, the parallel veins, the flower parts in multiples of 3, and the scattered vascular bundles, sets monocots apart from their dicot counterparts. These features not only define the monocots but also equip them with unique abilities to thrive in their environments. Monocots, with their distinctive characteristics, add diversity to the plant kingdom. While both dicos and monocots are vital parts of the plant kingdom, they have distinct differences. Diving right into it, the first major difference lies in their seed leaves or cotyledons. Dicotyledonous plants, as the name suggests, have 2 seed leaves. Monocotyledonous plants, on the other hand, have just 1. This difference is crucial as it affects the way the plant initially absorbs nutrients. Next, let's talk about vein patterns. In dicots, the veins in their leaves are typically net-like or reticulate, creating a beautiful, complex pattern. Monocots, however, have parallel veins that run the length of the leaf, a simpler but equally fascinating design. When it comes to flower parts, dicots usually have them in multiples of 4 or 5. Monocots, conversely, have flower parts in multiples of 3. This subtle difference is a telltale sign for botanists when identifying these plants. Finally, the arrangement of vascular bundles, which transport water and nutrients, differs too. In dicots, these bundles are arranged in a ring within the stem, while in monocots, they are scattered throughout the stem's cross-section. These differences are not just mere quirks, they greatly influence the plant's physiology, adaptations, and overall life cycle. Each characteristic has a purpose, serving to optimize the plant's survival in its specific habitat. Understanding these differences can enhance our appreciation for the diversity within the plant kingdom. In today's exploration of the plant kingdom, we've unearthed some fascinating facts. We delved into the world of dicotyledonous plants with their 2 seed leaves and monocotyledonous plants with their singular seed leaf. Each has its unique anatomy, contributing to the diverse life forms on Earth. We've compared their distinct characteristics, shedding light on their roles in our ecosystem. Whether it's the 2 seed leaves of a dico or the single seed leaf of a monocot, each plant contributes to the rich tapestry of our planet's flora.